Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're making glazed orange scones just like the ones you get from Panera Bread. It took us several tries to get this recipe just right. So if you try it out, please let us know what you think. Start by zesting an orange. This is really important because the core of this recipe is the orange flavor. Mix the heavy cream, egg, vanilla extract, and a little orange extract. Whisk well, then set aside. Rub the orange zest and sugar together with your fingers. This releases the orange oils, which really helps intensify the orange flavor. Add the flour, salt, and baking powder to the orange sugar and mix it thoroughly. Add the frozen butter and cut it through the dry ingredients with a pastry cutter. You can also use your hands instead of a cutter if you like. You are done when the flour mixture looks like breadcrumbs. Add the wet ingredients, mix them lightly first, then knead and press it into a ball. You're done when the mixture forms one big clump of dough. Put the dough on a floured surface and press it into a flat disc about 7 inches wide. Cut the dough into 8 triangles like a pizza, as evenly as you can. Place the triangles onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and brush the tops with milk or heavy cream. After you're done, you want to bake for 15 to 18 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or until the scones are a light golden. While the scones are baking, work on the glaze. For that, we need some orange zest, orange juice, and powdered sugar. The secret to getting the glaze just right is to mix a little juice at a time until it is thick and opaque in consistency. This is the best part of this recipe because it smells absolutely heavenly. And it's also so nice to sip the leftover orange juice while you're waiting. The scones are done, so let it cool. And when they are cool, brush the glaze generously over each scone. Make sure the glaze gets into every nook and cranny. I also like to sprinkle the scones with a little zest again for even more orange flavor. The whole house smells just amazing. I love having my orange scone with a cup of freshly brewed masala chai, and I have to tell you there's nothing like biting into a freshly baked scone. It's just so good. Till next time, enjoy!